Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today we are back on the Asphalt 9 and as you can see I have the Mitsubishi Lancer on the screen and everything else is logged. It's because Asphalt 9 was not installing, so I had to play it on Steam and my account got restarted and I couldn't connect it to Xbox account, so you're gonna see me play from the beginning Asphalt 9. So let's get started. Let's just change the color of the Mitsubishi Lancer first because I don't like it. Let us just change the color. We have decals? We have the new decals. Okay, who cares? And the new update is also here. I can just talk a little bit about this update right now, and we're going to choose black as our first color. I can just talk of the update right now first. So it's game info, what's new? So new tech is the update's name. New cars. We also have the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, which I'm never gonna get because I just started. And we also get to try out the McLaren Senna again. And Black Friday 2023. That's all. And I can't even do anything like this. My God! Showroom unlocks at 50 career flags. Can I even join a club? You don't belong to a player. Requires 22 career flags. Oh my God! Requires everything. Let's just get started. I played the tutorial. Let's just start with this. You guys are gonna see me sad because I just lost everything I had. I lost my Lamborghinis. I just had unlocked the Lamborghini Centenario, which is really sad. Stop, I know everything. Okay, just upgrade this, upgrade this, upgrade this, upgrade this, upgrade this, upgrade this, upgrade everything. I think this video is gonna be short, not too long. This place, let's start. Let's drive off. And I hate the tutorial. It makes me sad seeing the Revuelto. Bro, why? And I just feel like the quality is more higher than I used to play. Like I just feel when I play on Steam. I'm on medium graphics because I just it doesn't lag. It's like it feels really weird for me. I think the lag is more or less on Steam. Oh my God, I don't like this camera at all. Stop lagging. I need to win this race. Oh my God. It's been a long time since I played Asphalt. I even forgot the control. Okay, good knockdown. The barrel. Okay, we are winning. Let's go. It's pretty easy. Now I'll start over, and I'm never gonna get the Lamborghini also. That's the only thing that makes me sad the most. Like we're gonna unlock a new car too. And I got achievement. Win the first race. Let's go. Let's take it. Let's just do. I think I will just do a little bit and I'll just stop the video. Like I don't want to make it a big video of me sad. I don't having any cars. Like and restarting the whole thing. But yes, we reached level 2 finally. We reached so fast. Let's go. Let's just take the free card pack. Come down. Come down. Stop lagging. Here. Seriously? But Chain and Bank, the Clash, special offers. Where's my shop? Currencies? Like where's the free packs? What are the free packs? Oh my god, I can't even get my free packs. What is this? Did they change the place? I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. This is Gamez table. Claim these things. Just play. I don't want to waste any time. Just play. A black Mitsubishi Lancer is destroying everybody. Like the AI cars are so bad at this. I don't even feel any fun playing Asphalt 9. Until I get some good cars. Like if I get the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, I'll be so happy. I'll be the happiest person in the whole world. Good. A good 360. Come on. Catch the Camaro. Don't drift. Okay. Yes, we overtake the Camaro. We officially overtake the Camaro. We tried, but it failed. Oh yes, we knocked down the Camaro. Now we don't have anything in our way. Except the guy who's trying to catch up. And I don't know if he will catch up. But okay, we are taking the lead. Like this, I think this is the first time I'm winning any races without touch drive. Like, bro, like I like it because when I had Asphalt first, I came third in both of these races and I'm winning these races. And I started with touch drive, so it feels good. When are we gonna unlock this car, bro? Like I'm just gonna unlock that car and just stop. That's our goal today. Unlock the BMW. This BMW. Which is not a great car. It's so bad at everything. But it's a starter car, so we have to get it. We don't have any other choice. The new update, I don't even have anything. I don't even think I have enough time to unlock all the seasonal events also. I hate this map also. Why? Why Asphalt 9? Why do you have to give me this map? Like I'm in the last. Come on, catch up, ball. What? That guy was lagging. No NPCs. Come on, get up. Get up on toes. Okay, bye Camaro. I have better drifting than everybody here. I'm the best drifting car right now. Yes, 360 finish. I feel more happier that I'm winning all the races. I just need 2 more cards. Let's go. Yes, pack. I like packs. Open this pack. Oh yes, we just need 1 more. Okay, this video is really short. It's just 8 minutes. Yes, we're gonna unlock. We're gonna do 1 race also with that, and then I'll just stop. I'll see you guys in my next video after, not right now, after getting that car and driving it 1 time. The songs are really good in Asphalt, man. I just like it. I'm gonna play a little bit after this video too, so that I can get some cars. Like I can't even show off. I can't even unlock multiplayer. It will be more worse if I forget the password of Steam. Okay, like the shockwave helped me a lot. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. Come on, Mitsubishi Lancer. You are the best car that I have right now. Oh my god, that guy is just staying. No, I know. Just skip this part. Skip it. Just skip it. Yes, I don't care about perfect nitros. I just need the shockwave. So that's the best nitro in the whole world. Who is this? It's probably a Camaro. Because, oh yes, it's a Camaro. Can we fly through the finish line? Come on, boy. No, we couldn't. Okay, who cares? We just unlocked the BMW. Yes, we unlocked a second car. Let's go. Perform 5 perfect runs. We got 2 achievements. Yes, yes, unlock this. Yes, the beauty. Come on, BMW. Okay, this is the last race. Now it's gonna stop. Is my car even ranked enough? Yeah, it is. It's gonna change the color. This color is so bad. And of course, we're gonna have the comfortable. Oh yes, oh yes. It still feels good. The convertible. Oh yes, the blue color is the best. Come on, BMW. Show us what you got. Upgrade this, upgrade that, upgrade this, upgrade everything. I just don't care. Okay, we are out of money. We are so poor right now. Okay, please win this race. Come on, this is our last race. We need to win this or else. Come on, come on, come on. Finish in position 2 or better. So if I finish 2 also, I don't care. That's what it is. I don't know, I just feel the graphics are better. Oh my god, see the car bro. See the guy turning that wheel bro. So realistic. Oh yes, oh yes. That's what I'm talking about. I know Shockwave. You just taught me about it in the tutorial. Why I need to do it again? I know how Shockwave works. I've seen like 100 videos of Asphalt man. Why are you trying to teach me how to do Shockwave? Like, and it's showing in the last race that I'm gonna do. That's what makes me sad. If the game thinks I'm a noob. Come on, come on. We need to win this. I'm just gonna ride. Like, see, we are just going literally 250 kilometers. I'm not even touching any accelerator. Like, we finished. Like, we are literally riding down a hill at 250 kilometers per hour, which is really. Did you really perform 15 nitro shockwaves? And we reached level 2 reputation. Let's go. Yes, finally we unlocked the card packs. Yes, yes, give it, give it. Give me it. Yes, after this pack opening, I'm gonna stop the video. Let's see what we get. That's useless. Okay, okay, I know. Okay, we can get one for free also. Yes, skip it. What will we get? Yes, we got Nismo cards. We have one more. 5 card packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one 5. Okay, we got some good cards for the starting. We unlock daily events too. Let's go. Okay, we have to claim all of these useless things. Like, I like good cars. Like the Astronaut is a good car. I never saying it's bad. Like, how much do we need to claim? We're getting like 1 token each. Let's just claim this daily goals. Okay, we claimed everything. We also unlocked Legend Pass. Okay, guys. That's it for today. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.